Are you someone who enjoys nature's tranquility and loves to wander in cities with archaeological masterpieces? Then you cannot miss exploring the magnificent Cotswold Hills. Book our private tour to the Cotswolds from HCD Chauffeur Drive and enjoy these majestic rolling hills. These rolling hills are made of Jurassic limestone. The entire region portrays a picturesque landscape. There are meadows and fields, woodland and beautiful streams around the area. Take a tour around the breathtaking honey-colored stone cottages and several hidden gems. You can take a walking tour of Bourton-on-the-Water and head to Stow-on-the-Wold. Our chauffeur service team are happy to cater to your individual needs. With our private tour to the Cotswolds from London, you can encounter an immersive experience that remains lifelong. We do thorough homework and make a pre-plan to cover a substantial area. These include all the distinctive points of attraction to your itinerary. The tour planner comprises Shakespeare's hometown of Stratford-upon-Avon and other significant sightseeing destinations. Our tour chauffeurs are experienced, well-groomed, rigorously trained and skilled individuals. They are punctual, reliable and attentive, ensuring you a joyous and safe travel time. They know the local area and its demographic acceptance very well. Therefore, they can also recommend the best restaurants in the locality and the types of local dishes you must try. With us, by your side, you can unfold other beautiful spots which you might not locate alone. Our chauffeurs hate to see you waiting, hence, they reach your doorstep at least 15 minutes before the scheduled time. Our fleet consists of luxurious and premium cars, including Mercedes S, E, and V-Class, Mercedes Sprinters executive coaches, Rolls-Royce, Bentley and Range Rovers. You can choose from our wide range of chauffeur-driven cars depending on the size of your group and personalize its amenities to meet all your needs. Choosing us will always benefit you with additional benefits and perks. Book a private tour to Cotswolds and cherish a journey full of adventure and divinity.